I'm Dan Krueger. I am the current president of IMAPS. We steer the communities associated with microelectronics, advanced packaging, interconnect, and assembly by providing channels for communicating, educating, and interacting within academia, industry, and government. We've been around for nearly 60 years now. We have leading-edge technical programs, education, workforce development opportunities, and about 2 years ago we launched an exciting online professional development course program called IMAPS Academy. We now have courses available online. They range from intro to packaging, other introductory level courses, and some advanced courses. IMAPS purchased the 3D Insights platform, including website, content library, and podcasts. So all of that continues to be available now through IMAPS. We cover the entire ecosystem of packaging and assembly.